the next DIY, I'm going to use a Dollar Tree bottle and one of their little plastic party cups. Now, I thought these were Shore Living, but my store just got some in and they're not doing Shore Living this year, so they must not be. Mine were just with like the regular vases and stuff like that. It's just a clear bottle with a blue tint on the bottom. I want it to look like water. I'm kind of doing an under the sea theme on this one. So I picked up blue marbles from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to fill those up inside the bottle like that. It's already tinted kind of blue down there, so that works well together. These are just the plastic party cups from the party section, but I thought it would make a perfect little lampshade for a solar light. Let me show you how I'm going to decorate this though. I love how all the blue colors go well together. For the little lampshade, I thought it would be fun to do mermaid scales all over. So I'm just using a white paint pen and just doing a little half circle. Then you start about halfway through the circle and connect it halfway to the next circle and keep going around. All of the little mermaid scales, or it could even be fish scales, don't have to be perfect. As you can see, some of mine are big and some of mine are little, but I was trying to keep that same pattern going all the way down the lampshade. And it got a little bit more challenging as I went, but putting it down like that made it a little bit easier, and I just kept with my same pattern. These are the Posca paint pens that are the little finer tip ones. I love Posca paint pens. I always get these on Amazon or Target. I think I have them in my Amazon shop. They're my favorite. They work so good. I've had so many bad paint pen experiences, but these things are fantastic. They work on just about any surface. For this solar light for this one, I'm going to use one of the solar lights from Dollar General, actually. These are a little bit cheaper. You get 6 of them for $5 in the 5-pack, and they're a little bit smaller than the ones from the Dollar Tree, which is going to work well for this DIY because that little lampshade is not quite big enough for one of the larger solar lights. I just use hot glue to sit it down inside. It doesn't go all the way to the top, so I'm also going to go around the sides with some more hot glue, which normally I wouldn't really like you to be able to see the hot glue on the sides of it. But honestly, with this theme, it kind of makes it look just like water. So I went ahead and glued that in well so that should stay in place and light up our fun little mermaid lamp. This is what it looks like so far. I was trying to determine if I needed to add more marbles. I did have an entire package for this project, and the answer was yes, more marbles. I thought the marbles looked like little drops of water and bubbles maybe, so I thought that would be a fun effect for the bottle. And then I'm just going to hot glue on the solar lamp. This is going to glue directly to that solar light that we put inside the cup, and I just put that right on top like that. This was such an easy solar light DIY. I think it turned out really cute with our little blue and white mermaid theme. So this is what it looks like during the day. I think that the marbles will help weigh it down, keep it upright outside, and it'll be a great coastal decoration for my yard. This is what it looks like illuminated at night. As you can see, the marbles light up beautifully. I love that. And the mermaid scales gave me quite a fun pattern too for the light reflection, as you can see there against the wall.